going for ride. Hari yang ketiga kita mau mengelilingin di mall yang ada di Lake District. So, wow, busy. It's quite busy. Untuk pergi. This is our first stop, Gather. We are looking for a ginger bread something, and the flowers here is amazing. It's just like different colors. I never seen these colors before. Over that side. So yeah, let's go. I thought it's gonna be like, yeah, first stop. Oh, there is a restaurant. Shall we check it out? Having our tea or coffee?
I've had to go on to Keswick before I stop for coffee. Really.
And fancy that we are going to early, and now look at it, people just coming. Awesome, hey. So this is the village school. That's it. Dan di sini ini toko di mana tempat gingerbread yang paling ngetop terkenal katanya, dan kita sudah beli. Ternyata kita terlalu early, which is nice. Check it out, guys. Moment of truth, huh? I want you to taste first. And then test. Look at this, coming visiting us. Very friendly. Oh. No.
You put crumb down there.
Come then. A bit more.
Is it coming in? Is it coming to your hand? Not yet. No.
Not yet.
Don't waste all that gingerbread on him.
Come then. I'm waiting. No. Oh. He's coming. Oh no. So that is the ginger thingy thing. Guys. No. Itu yang di belakang kita yang paling ngetop di sini, guys. Ginger salt. Kalian harus rasa. Rasanya enak banget. It's different. The set is different. It's totally lovely ya. I love it. Ya guys, banyak orang datang sekarang. Pada mau queue. Kita mau ambil. Tuh lihat, sekarang udah pada rame yang datang. So we are lucky.
Yeah.
Ginger thick. That is just stunning. So di situ ada parkirannya banyak sih, di mana-mana. Di sebelah sana juga ada parkiran. Kirain kita parkirannya susah banget, ternyata gampang, mudah. So sebenarnya kalau kalian mau beli souvenir di situ ada, tapi berhubung aku pakai motorbike jadi agak susah ya guys ya. That's good, we're coming earlier. Now it start packing. Banyak yang hiking, guys. A lot of people hiking, ya kan?
Yeah.
Like walking and
Yeah.
ready with their gears.
It's supposed to see the way back.
What is it called next?
Keswick.
Keswick. Is that where your childhood memory? You have a good time though with kayaking or
1 hour later.
So guys, kita sekarang di little town namanya Keswick. Spellnya, how is the spell? Spellnya Keswick, tapi W-nya nggak dibilang, jadi Keswick. Cheers, having coffee dan ke toilet more important. Cheers. I can see only your eyebrow is going lifting. Yeah, right. You think that I am that's ignorant? Just tell me it's good. Okay. Okay. You're going to the isa. I think I'm gonna get coffee once while leaving. We just stopped to this stunning.
Yeah, so
Oh, hello. So uh-oh. Is he angry, Han? Ini maminya marah nggak ya?
5 minutes later.
waterfall, son.
Yeah, no, it's good, right? Keep going, keep going.
Halo guys, tadi aku mau ngasih tahu saja di video ini karena videonya terlalu panjang dan aku potong jadi seperti 1-2 gitu. Jadi di next video nanti di yang nomor 2. Dan di sini kita salah ambil jalur, agak nyasar sedikit dan sampai ke di end-nya itu nggak ada tempat jalan lagi, dan di situ ada air terjun. Kita stop dan banyak sekali di bawah gunung itu orang pada bertentangan, so kita stop dulu, hanya rest, dan sampai ketemu lagi di video selanjutnya. Semoga kalian suka, kasih thumbs up dan komen kalau mau, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.